And you will be staying on the 3rd floor.
Hey.
Utah,
Say
baby.
Hi. Okay, what are we doing?
I need to figure out how to get to this place.
So we just got our car. We rented an Audi and we didn't even know how to turn it on. And we are about to go to our house, our apartment. You excited?
I'm excited.
We ready.
Woo!
Catch you later.
Get our fun little Airbnb.
Oh,
You guys.
at the same time.
You're funny. Look how cute.
Here, tell us when.
No, it's just video.
Oh.
Next.
There we go. Show me around, girlfriend. What are we? You're not being a very good tour guide. There we
The
go.
beautiful couch
Yes.
where all the action happens. The beautiful table where you put your feet up.
A nice desk to sit and do your workout.
And then
The only thing in the fridge.
Yeah, let's see what's in the fridge.
Welcome to our
I was gonna say MTV Cribs.
liquor.
Love it.
So cute.
This is fun.
Nice.
Oh, but you're kind
All right, ladies, what's first on the agenda?
Getting cuter.
Yes. We all stink. Speak for yourself.
Getting cuter and then finding some place to eat with some drinks.
Yeah.
Bar hopping. That's what we do.
We got it. Let's go. High five, Andrew. Good job. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive.
Now I use it. I like
of a trick and you use blush.
Yeah.
Tell us about your beauty trick
I use blush now.
for the first
Oh.
time ever.
I
I never
mean,
use blush.
use it. I taught Andrea the eyeshadow eyebrow trick, and whenever I was like, I taught her something with makeup, I was like, what the hell?
Any?
I don't see it. Cheers!
Do that again. Wait, how do you just, click the button.
Yeah, and then get,
Yep. Now I'm just thinking. Wait, what did you say?
This is the first real meal we're having.
Chrissy, I'm proud of you. Good job.
I need
She
to
drove.
drink.
Just hydroplaning. It's
Yep.
fine.
She drove us through the pouring rain. Hydroplaned once, but that's fine. You doing okay?
I feel like this is just wrong. Oh. I need to stay in the middle.
Yeah, please don't do it.
You're doing great. You're doing great. Follow the red. That was a blurry
This
video.
car's running. Never done nothing like this before.
For real.
An Audi. That's why we wanted an Audi.
We're like,
For what?
Yeah. Why did we want a not used car?
Which way?
don't know. Probably
I guess straight.
straight. Probably straight.
There's like literally
We'll
running
get it
water,
eventually.
Guys.
Oh god.
Well, let's hope all this dries up tomorrow, and then also, hello, this is so pretty. Cows. Dude, that's a llama.
Nuh-uh.
That's a llama.
Oh my god. I love llamas.
Or is it a?
Alpaca. Maybe it's
Oh, it's
alpaca.
alpaca.
Cool. Oh my gosh.
I can't. So cool.
Oh, he looks. I know. She's gonna undo it, and then I'll pull in, and she'll lock it back up. That's why they were parked here for a minute. Oh yeah, is the door gonna fit? Yeah. I know.
Let me take off his door.
Huge.
This is it. Oh my gosh. We're literally staying. Oh my god. Yep. Guys, we made it. Tiny home. We survived. Let's go see it. Wow. This is insane. This is our tiny home. Oh look, Andrea, there's like the little chairs and fire. This is unreal!
I didn't record
I
it.
wasn't recording. Let's go, let's go.
Guys, we might need to take our shoes off.
Wait, is this already? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that fell over.
Oh boy.
Here.
Just leave them somewhere. I don't want to get it all wet. Oh,
Okay. I'm gonna have to.
I know.
Freezing.
Oh my god.
It's literally a tiny home.
Oh my gosh! This is so
Shower. Oh my gosh, the toilet is wet.
This is crazy. Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's chairs in the fire.
Yeah.
Oh.
4 little twin beds.
Oh my god. Oh, there's 2. Oh boy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, guys, just looking out.
Oh, there is a speaker,
Oh, I
Christian.
thought you said spider.
Oh no.
Oh my god, just waking up and looking outside.
Cool.
Oh, this is so cool.
This is neat.
It literally is so tiny.
This is the tiniest home I've ever
Tiniest
seen.
There's a
At
little.
least I
TV,
can sit up still and it fits right.
And this has
crazy.
like a moon thing.
Oh my
gosh.
Oh, it's sunlight?
Yeah. Oh, that will kind of suck for a
You
second.
want me to do a little tour real quick?
Yeah.
It'll be 3 seconds.
Yep. It'll be a 3-second
Look at the
tour.
view.
Hello.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, take 2. Ready? Hello. Welcome to my cribs. Over here, we have the kitchen, where we have a fridge and a stove and a microwave, all that you need. Take a look over here into our living room. This is a pull-out couch, I think. I don't actually know that. If you look over here, we have bedroom number 1 with a stunning view and a TV that we will not be using. If you go under here, we have the bathroom, the shower. Andrea, take it away.
You already did the tour. That's it.
Wait, I didn't say bedroom too.
Oh. There's a bedroom up here too with 2 beds.
Have a look at the views on the outside.
Yes. We gotta put our shoes on.
It's a little muddy. We need
Yeah.
hiking boots.
It rained a bit today. Just a bit.
Guys, just waking now. It's just
My GoPro's been recording the whole time.
Andrea doesn't know how to work a GoPro.
Oh, that's so
Wow.
Well, you know, in all the movies and stuff, they say that horses.
that's why I feel.
Andrew, just pet her for a second. For him, I don't know.
I feel like they want petted.
They would have Sweet girl.
Okay. Oh, that's cute. Ooh, it looks pinkish. Girls get down like this, you know what I'm talking about?
Dude, it's
Ah. Can you walk to me? We got the heater working! Yes! Good job. Oh.
we gotta bring it in our place. What'd you do?
I literally read the instructions like
I know.
We got it. I can't get it out. I'm foraging. I don't think that's what it's called. Foraging.
Your outfit's on point. Your socks match the heater.
and all purple. Ew.
It's filled to the brim.
Ew.
Looks gross. That says generator only, so I wonder how that works.
Let's see.
It just starts.
It's not even on.
Guys, you're eating cold SpaghettiOs.
No.
That's nasty. Here, let's figure out how you use things without the generator.
It says generator only.
Or like,
We're turning on this generator.
let's see.
Where's the instructions?
You said you had it.
I don't have them.
Here we go.
You took them when we got.
Did I take them?
You took them when you got your phone.
I feel like I look like a boy.
I like your ponytail like that.
Oh, makes me look like I have more hair.
I don't have like makeup on my. Okay, we got the instructions. Okay. Wow, way to
Do I
go.
just keep turning?
Yeah.
That stops.
No, but like right after push it. There we go. Good job. We did it. We did it. Did it. Badass independent women. Yeah, should we do a fashion show real quick? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Utah Fashion Show.
It's not gonna be super expensive. Yeah, it's not gonna be like a huge ass flame in your face.
Liars! Shit! She said liars! That's why I didn't do it. Airing the tires, knowing how to do it, starting a fire.
Wait, Andrea, what just happened?
I almost burnt my eyebrows off, but I don't even have enough to spare, so I'm glad I didn't.
It's beautiful.
We started the fire, girls.
No, I started the fire.
Now let's get a drink.
Yes.
Here we go. Angels
Yep.
landing.
I just
For us angels.
we are angels.
Trail Zion. Here we come.
We got it, girls. Okay, let's say, who do we think is gonna need a break first?
Probably me.
That's what I was gonna say.
First hike of my whole life.
Yes.
Really?
This is the first hike Andrea's done.
Oh.
And we're doing a fucking
Yeah, the
hard
most
one.
strenuous one.
Get it,
And
girls.
most dangerous in the U.S.
Griffin.
We got it.
We got it. Yes, we are. We're dying. How you doing?
We're 20 minutes in. We've stopped like 3 times already.
Look at this.
There's so many.
Water Canyon Trailhead. We'll update you on the views. Yeah.
Stay tuned.